Shut up and sit down.
The IdeaPad 520s is a nice all-round compact laptop that won't break the bank for you. It's built well, it looks nice, it gets a good keyboard, proper sized battery and the hardware to support everyday chores and even gaming and some demanding loads. The performance didn't rise to the expectations on our sample though, which also came with a pretty bad screen. These aren't our only nits with the notebook, but if these get fixed then the 520s could be an option to consider. Keep reading for the whole story. Let's say you're in the market for a compact all-round laptop able to handle daily activities and tackle a few casual games as well. You don't want a full-size computer, but rather something smaller and lighter, yet at the same time your budget is only around $700 minus $800, or 700 minus 800 euros in Europe. Well, in this case the Lenovo IdeaPad 520s fits the description well. It's a 14-inch laptop with a compact footprint, Kaby Core U hardware and dedicated NVIDIA 940MX graphics, paired with a backlit keyboard, proper sized battery and sturdy construction. On the other hand it gets a pretty poor screen, IPS, but one of the crappier kinds. Is chunkier than the competition and rather slow on the internet. It's cheaper than the competition though, which could be enough to steer many of you his way. Devices like the Asus ZenBook UX410UQ, Lenovo IdeaPad 320s or the Acer Swift 3 are its close competitors, with 14 inches as the Lenovo IdeaPad 720s and Asus ZenBook UX430UQ as far-stretched alternatives in a superior league. We've gathered all our impressions below, with the solid aspects and the quirks, so read on to find out if this laptop is the right one for you or not. Design and first look. The IdeaPad 520s looks like most other IdeaPads we've already reviewed here on the site and is just as sturdily built. Smooth metal is used for the lid and interior, with plastic on the bottom and around the screen. Lenovo offers it in a few different colors and we got the gold model here. It looks nice and the branding is discreet, with a Lenovo logo on the lid and IdeaPad and Lenovo logos on the inside. The status LEDs are subtle as well and placed on the lateral edges, so there's no bling that would interfere with your use in a dark room. As far as the build goes, this laptop is sturdy, with no give in the lid or in the main chassis. It's a little bit chunkier than other 14-inchers though, as it mostly borrows its design lines from the entry-level IdeaPad 320s and lacks the slim silhouette of the IdeaPad 720s series. I also noticed some sharp edges on the back, where the bottom panel attaches to the edges, but that aside there isn't much to complain about the craftsmanship.